Hello everyone, welcome to the Artistic Homes. Today I came up with a 3 simple no paintbrush artwork which is very simple to make, completely beginner friendly, but it never fails to add a magnificent look to our homes. Before moving to that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to don't miss my future updates. But now let's get started. Painting without brush is also very fun to make. Here is our 3 beautiful paintings which will definitely add more colors to our homes. I'm taking this paint sheet along with some sketch pen and also some leaves from our backyard with the different patterns and shapes. I'm going to take this leaf and applying darker green color on the outer corner and light green on the inner corner. Gently press down the leaves on the painting sheet to get a natural pattern. I'm going to take different leaves and applying colors in random manner to get a different leaf prints. Let's continue this process. I'm applying multiple colors on this leaf and I'm going to use this leaf print lightly on the gap between the darker prints. Let's remove the masking tape. That's it, our first project is done. I hope you like it. Let's move on to the second project. On a painting sheet, I'm roughly sketching the tree branches. Apply water in a round shape and take some yellow sketch pen and apply it in the water along with some orange color and red color. Use some brush just to smoothen out the colors. Likewise, also paint small dots in between the bigger ones as well. Now I am connecting the tree branches using some brown sketch pen. Apply water in a leaf shape and use some lighter and darker green sketch to make leaves here and there. That's it. Our simple but colorful painting is done. Let's move on to the third project. I'm going to take this cotton thread for our third project and dip the thread in various colors in the palette using some stick. Place the thread over the painting sheet. Now put some weight over the thread and pull it off at the bottom to get a natural colorful pattern. Likewise, make another pattern sidewise as well. After that, cover the gaps by applying multiple colors. That's it, our third project is also done. I think there is no need for a paintbrush or a fancy art material to style our homes. Instead of that, a little time and effort will definitely make our homes more magnificent. I hope you enjoy the 3 different artworks. Please do try and enjoy with your family, and also send your loves by subscribing to my channel, like, share, comment as well. Bye. Take care.